undocumented and illegal immigration to any country poses existential threat to that country from a security point of view, from a resource allocation point of view, from a sovereignty point of view, from an external and internal security point of view. If you have got a lot of undocumented people in your system, you will not know what to do and what not to do in relation to all issues that relate to the allocation of resources, that relate to just how you deal with the security questions in your own areas. Now, there are issues which, of course, we must then be able to then respond to and deal with, which in many instances are presented as if these are progressive politics by a lot of political leaders from different formations. One mistake which the progressive movement in its entirety must not make is try to delegitimize the legitimate concerns of the people, whatever number they are. To delegitimize the concerns of our people is not revolutionary. You must always be on the side of the people. To be a revolutionary means that you must be on the side of the people and be able to articulate their perspectives, their views, their grievances with exact precision and understanding in a manner that is going to bring about long-term solutions to whatever issues that our people are raising. And one of the cautions which we want to give to the progressive forces or left forces in South Africa is that we must not stand on the sidelines and insult people who are raising legitimate issues around immigration. Let me be specific to say that there is no wisdom, there is no revolutionary consciousness, there is no revolutionary clarity, there is nothing tactically superior in insulting the march and march processes that are led by Jacinta Ngobese Zuma, by Ngizwe Mchunu, by Phakelo Mthakati, and all of the people who are at the forefront of raising and otherwise legitimate issues. If you continue to do that as progressive forces, you are going to push most of those forces to right-wing elements, to elements that are controlled by captains of South Africa's capitalism. You know that there are forces that are funded directly by the originators of the racist system and capitalist system that is extremely exploitative here in South Africa. We know who are the recipients of donations of the Oppenheimers. And if we take an approach, all of us, to just demonize and delegitimize people who are raising legitimate concerns, we are not being revolutionary, we are being reactionary, we are being backward. And that is not, there's nothing progressive about demonizing an otherwise legitimate concern that is being raised about the immigration.